Thank you to every superintendent, principal, teacher, counselor, social worker that invited me to your school last year, 2018. We did that. We reached over 1 million students. The mantra with the Jeremy Anderson Group is always grateful, but never settle. So when I met with my team and we discussed our plan and our goal for 2019, we knew we wanted to make a greater impact. So someone told me that to every one teacher, there are 16 students in our country. So we're setting a goal in 2019 to reach 1 million teachers. By us setting a goal to reach 1 million teachers, we will have in the end impacted 16 million students. So let me tell you why we feel it's important for us to set a goal to reach 1 million teachers. I know what you're thinking, Jeremy, the students are the ones that need help. Trust me, I'm still speaking at schools every single week throughout the country, right? The passion for that will never leave. But our teachers, the ones that we trust to take care of our students, they need help too. I just had a teacher a few days ago call me, and she is not looking forward to going back to the classroom next year. She literally is depressed. She loves kids, she loves teaching, but she's tired. She's depleted. And I have had far too many teachers cry over my shoulder and tell me how tired they are and they're depressed. Here's the reality. Teachers are human too. They've got family issues, they've got health issues, they have financial issues, they fight with their spouses, they're dealing with depression, they deal with some heavy stuff, and they're supposed to come to school every single day and teach our kids and just be awesome when life is hitting them. They need motivation, they need inspiration, they need a word that's gonna lift them, because if they're not good, our kids can't be good. Listen to me, my story is long, y'all. Drug and alcohol abuse, diagnosed with ADHD, failed in school over and over and over again. But I had a group of teachers who literally loved me back to life. And I bounced back and went on to accomplish and experience some amazing things. I wouldn't have gotten a high school diploma and a bachelor's and a master's and be the published author of 7 books and write curriculums for our nation's school districts. I wouldn't be in this position if it wasn't for educators that sacrifice every single day. So our goal for 2019 is to reach 1 million teachers, to pour into them, to breathe life into them, to remind them why they became educators in the first place. And when we do that, we will have healthier and stronger teachers, and then we'll have healthier and stronger classrooms. So I will continue this year to be a champion for our students, but I will also be intentional to sacrifice for those teachers who once sacrificed for me and who sacrificed for our students every single day. Join me on this journey of reaching 1 million teachers.